Alison Marsden, and I've created the Gardening by Design box of tricks to help you become a more confident gardener.
You don't have to enrol on a long course, take exams, or stick to someone else's schedule. The box of tricks is all about learning what you want, when and where you want. Each topic contains an hour of video material divided into bite-sized chunks, with explanations, examples, photographs, and summaries to guide you through the learning process and embed your understanding. There are moments when you'll be asked to pause and think about a question. Answering out loud always helps. Or recap key points. And in between the videos, you will have the chance to go out into your own garden and think through how the information can help you practically. This introduction has shown you the why, what and how of the Gardening by Design box of tricks videos. I would love to help you to plan, plant and look after your plot with confidence. Visit my website for snippets and to buy topics, and you can also sign up for the Box of Tricks newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!